Hi, Jeff Fenech here, four-time world boxing champion. Decided to use Think Renewable, and I think it's the best thing I've ever done. Think Renewable made me feel great from the first day they walked into the front door. Ever since, it's been like a team. They make sure they show me everything that's happening. They explain everything to me. I really learned more about it, and the consultant was so good. When the boys from the team sat down and spoke to me, it made a lot of sense, made a lot of dollars as well. He told me what the job was going to be like, installing it, which again was just a 24-hour job. These guys made me feel like they're my family, so I felt really, really safe letting them come through my house and do the work they've done. And at the end, there wasn't a piece of wire left on the floor. It was spotless. They were amazing. I purchased a 15 kilowatt Hinen battery and we've never looked back. With my new battery, I'll be saving about $2,000 to $3,000 a year. And if I do that over 10 years, that's $30,000, which is a lot of money that I can give to my children as well. Yeah, I think the great thing about the battery is I can store the energy, and then for 24 hours a day, I've got as much energy as I need whenever I need it. It's made me become energy independent. I'm with virtual power plant. I'm able to sell my electricity back and make more money, and I'm also helping the community by protecting them from power outages. I recommend Think Renewable to my family, my friends, and everybody that wants to save a dollar. They're the best.